All right, this is Dave, also known as Loving Them Trains, back with another one. So we're back at another possible building for our club, and it's another rainy day. So I gotta be careful with my camera. But we're out here waiting to go in. We're actually near a Porsche. I guess I don't know if they build Porsches or just detail them, but that's right next to this building. So as I said, we've got these Porsches. They look like they're getting ready for the racetrack to me. Right next door as potential neighbors. Pretty cool. But we're in definitely a warehouse area all around us. And there would be our building. Kind of looking around at ways we can get into the building, considering we would rent out a section of the main office. So we've got a couple of choices for entry, including this door right here on the left side of the building. So here's the back of the building. One thing I've noticed is looks like a lot of the equipment inside and out of the building is pretty updated. So it could kind of be a turnkey situation. Okay, we're walking into the building.
And the desks can stay. You should. I sold this a year ago, a little over a year ago to him, and you would not believe they completely gutted. The office was horrible. Like, it was disgusting. And then he came in, and everything he does is top notch.
Another office.
Did a good job with it.
It looks like we got 3 offices on this side.
Yeah, yeah. Your office is here.
We got a restroom.
2 restrooms?
And then you have a third for the warehouse.
Oh, wow.
The building is already temperature controlled. You got the air conditioning. You probably can hear it over my voice. But feels pretty good in here for a summer day in Georgia. All of this equipment for the current owner would of course be removed. We fabricate a lot of material, from what I understand, for kitchens, etc. So you got a lot of heavy equipment. So unfortunately, we don't get an idea of the space because you see all this equipment here. Large equipment. Telling Dan that because this would be another building where we'd have to have a tenant because of the taxes to help us with that. But the design of the layout would kind of be dictated because you have this bump out section right here in front of me to the left. And so we would have to come in from this direction somehow with the design and then come around here, you know, taking into consideration aisle width, all that type of stuff. So it presents a bit of a creative challenge for us. I mean, it obviously could be done, but it's just something to think about. Looks like most of the equipment as far as sinks and a lot of the infrastructure in here is pretty recent and updated, which is good. 12 by 12 roll up doors, and here's a warehouse.
Yeah, it's built for being used by public doors. It could be cut half. I doubt it.
As you can see, the building is still occupied right now, but upon selling, the current company would move out.
Yes, these right here. Those are brand new to 7.5 ton, I think. Got a peak too there.
Another restroom, roll-away door over there. What are the dimensions of this area?
The whole building is 5,000 square feet. The office is about 750 square feet.
Okay,
Let's see.
there's Dan. Doesn't look like there's any roof issues at this point. So here's what I was saying about the infrastructure of the building being relatively updated. Nice sink, which we would use a lot, and nice bathroom. Even the roll-up doors look relatively new.